SEC reviews BlackRock's Ethereum ETF changes. Public comments now open. Hey guys, you're watching BitsPuls and I'm your host Andrew. The United States Securities and Exchange Commission has announced that they're calling for public comments on the recent changes to BlackRock's suggested spot Ethereum exchange-traded fund. This call for public comments comes after the Nasdaq sent an updated proposal on April the 19th. The changes were made to get in line with what regulators expect. BlackRock's ETF, called the iShares Ethereum Trust, is meant to track Ethereum's price. The initial filing was in November 2023. The suggested changes are pretty different from the first draft. The new version changed how the Ethereum is handled, moving from direct exchanges to a cash transactions model. The SEC has given stakeholders and the public 21 days to give their feedback on the changes. This feedback is important and will affect how the SEC reviews the changes and makes a final decision. Let's talk about the changes to BlackRock's Ethereum ETF in more detail. The first version of the iShares Ethereum Trust had a process for creating and redeeming shares that involved directly exchanging Ethereum. But the new version says that these things will now be done with cash transactions. This cash redemption model is the same as the one used for spot Bitcoin ETFs that the SEC approved in January. The move to a cash-based system is seen as a way to deal with regulatory concerns that focus on financial transactions instead of physical ones. Another change is that BlackRock's updated proposal doesn't include staking. This is different from companies like Fidelity and Grayscale, which have put staking into their ETF applications. This change shows that BlackRock is being careful, and it might be a smart move to help the SEC approve the ETF more quickly. The market and analysts are still not sure what will happen with cryptocurrency ETFs in the United States. Even though big financial companies are changing their proposals to get approval, market analysts are now less sure that Ethereum ETFs will be approved soon. Right now, Bloomberg's ETF analyst Eric Balchunas has lowered his chances of these ETFs being approved by May from around 70% down to 25%. Standard Chartered has also changed its mind and now thinks it's very unlikely that Ethereum ETFs will be approved by the SEC in May. Before, they were more positive. This change in expectations happened because there haven't been any public talks between the SEC and ETF applicants, which was a sign that Bitcoin ETFs would be approved. The SEC is taking its time with other ETF proposals, like the ones from Franklin Templeton and Grayscale. This shows that regulators are being careful when it comes to financial products based on cryptocurrency. The SEC is taking time to gather and review public feedback, which will play a big role in how Ethereum and other cryptocurrency ETFs are regulated. As always, do your own research before making any investment decisions. If you're looking to learn more about this topic, subscribe to our channel, turn on notifications, like this video, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and see you next time.